One challenge we've had at the state of Colorado is that not all of our agencies are on the same learning management system that the state uses. So we've had trouble delivering the training to our agency users to use Advantage. With the Advantage Assistant, it's been fabulous because if they can log in, they can access the training. And so we've overcome that barrier that we previously had as far as developing and delivering content to the users. We've been able to suggest enhancements and get some more buy-in for the product. And our early adopters have come back and told us that they are excited and it's going to reduce their training time amongst their people. So not only does it help us reach all of our users that we previously couldn't reach, and it's actually been a benefit in saving them time and getting their folks trained up to use the product better. So being able to take the innovation and the technology and share it back with our users, especially when we look at the generational gaps coming in through the state. People are used to that quick learning and that micro learning that previously just wasn't in our model. So it's really helped us adapt to the environment.